What's up YouTube, it's me again with another video, and this video I'm gonna be reviewing is the I don't know what selfie stick it is, but this one is like from China. I mean, just closer. That is literally a selfie stick. This is literally like from China, guys, and it says 3 generations forever wire, and this one is a wire version, and it's like pretty similar to the like Huawei AF15 that I review. It's quite similar, guys, because the details. Then it comes with like instructions. Look at that. So like instructions and the width of it here. Comes with like everything that you see on the box, guys, and it says like, well, it's made in China, see? And it's 78 centimeters, and it says 270 axle, guys. It's pretty cool. It's like best capability instantly provided by 3rd generation chipstick. Quality is the life best. That's how you read the text, guys. But no, it's reverse. But it's trying to unbox this. How cool this package is. And it comes with this selfie stick, guys, and look how identical this selfie stick, guys. This one does not stand out, but this it's like made out of rubber, and wow, so nice quality. This is really nice quality, guys, since you can dust the axle like the same as my selfie stick, and my selfie stick does not have this turn right over here, like just for tightness, and got this wire right over here, guys. We got this wire, and then I'm gonna actually test it with my old phone, guys. Let me test it with my old phone to see how well it fits, and let's see what length it is. Whoa, guys, the length is really like tall, guys. It's a bit taller than the Huawei F15. This thing is, guys, you cannot see it in full video, but look at this thing. It's like pretty long, guys. So the button, and with this is my old phone that I actually broke in the last night Grancy video. This is the one I just dropped in the water accidentally, guys. I just try to just test it. Snug fit, and it's like a really snug fit, and it should look like this. Wow, guys, really snug fit, guys. It's like really snug fit, and you can really press it right over here, guys. Here, and you can use that on a work phone, guys. You should like this, guys. So that is it for the review today. If you like this review or any other reviews, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon for the next video, guys. Peace.